Okay, let's start our class. Today we will be developing one a small app using Tailwind CSS. The by end of this class, you will be able to develop with one logo at the header and with the categories mobiles, fashion, and appliances, and we will have a best deal tab, and you will have a few products displayed which has discounts. Okay, and also it will be supporting responsiveness, you see. Ah, okay. Now you are able to see, right? Let me know once you see this. Okay, yeah. By end of this today class, we will be developing this one, that is a logo, and we will have different categories of the products, and below this one we will be showing displaying the products with coupon codes that gives us the discount. And also it will be supporting responsiveness. If you can able to see, only the only single product is displayed here. Okay, and if the screen is a bigger one, you can able to see three products. And still, if the device is medium, you can see only two products. If you see, if it is a small device, you can see only one product. Okay, I will show how this responsive works and how we need to align all these things using tailwind css. And also without writing css, how we will utilize the framework and its utilities, we will be discussing today. Okay. I will come with starting. This video will actually I started recording this video. I will be uploading today itself to YouTube. I will share the link for you by evening. If you go to tailwind css documents dot installation, please share. I am sharing this link. You will get the installation details. Okay. Similar way, actually, if you don't have Node.js, please tell me. I will try to help you to install that Node.js. Today I will be free. Whoever did not install the Node.js, please ping me. I will try to help you on offline after this class. Okay. I have created Tailwind CSS. Here I will go to command prompt, and I will follow the instructions given by. The first step, what they told is install Tailwind using npm install. Npm is nothing but Node package management manager. Node will have different libraries. Based on that libraries, it will install in our system. Okay. Now it will install our application. Now if you see, it created the dependencies related to node, and it created node package.json. Okay. The next step they provided is uh, do npx tailwind css init. Okay, this will install the dependencies for particular library, and it will initiate the project. Okay, package name we will be giving tailwind css, version default, description default, index default, text command also. I am giving all default only, providing yes. And now whatever they are given, npx tailwind. You don't want to remember this one. I will explain you while Node.js tutorial what are these commands are. Just to make sure the project in a well mannered, I am telling this for you. Okay, don't remember all these things. Just follow the installation here. How they followed. Okay, why we are doing these commands, all these things, I will tell you when I am giving Node.js tutor. Okay. Okay, as I told, tailwind.config.js is created. Now I will open my code. To type code, I will get the Visual Studio code from command prompt itself, and here I will open the folder where I created this one. Okay, whatever they given in tailwind.config.js, I am copying this code here, and that they asked us to create a css file with this one, and I'm doing that one also. I will be taking new folder. Inside new folder I will be taking input.css. And I am going and running this one in the build process. Like, this is the fourth step. This is for actually whenever I have the changes. Okay, automatically it will watch that one, and the changes which I apply will automatically the server will take the, and it will re-render the web application. and I will be taking this basic HTML page and will be creating one more folder here only. I will be creating otherwise. Now, if I run this one, okay, I can able to see hello world example here. You see, we can able to see the hello world application. Now we will be modifying our record. You see, almost output.css shows that it will take the classes from Tailwind and it will import here. And we will be applying some package.json. I am including some Google fonts here. This will be available from the CDN. This is, and I am not doing nothing but I am taking Google API fonts because we will be using some fonts here. That's why just I am linking that fonts. Okay, in every web application you go, you need to have some fonts. Okay, that fonts I am including this one. Okay, with Roboto Mono. This is one type of font name, and the default uh, weight of the font will be 400. Okay, this you don't need to remember, just you try to add this one in every HTML page because every web application requires some fonts. Okay, because of for styling to if the text want to be very good and the look and feel if you want to be very good, you need to add some Google fonts. Okay, this is available wherever you go. If you just type cdn for Google font, you will find these links. Okay, and you need to mention this roboto mono to in your configuration file, that is tailwind. Okay, here you need to extend here. We are including a font family, and for body we will be using roboto mono. Okay, this is the font type we are including for our application. Whatever the font you like, you can add this one. Okay, if you apply here, it will be applied throughout the application. That's why I'm adding this one in the tailwind.config.js. Now we will be going to our body section and we will start coding. Okay, whatever I told previously and all are just configurations only. This we can do late. I will explain later also. From now what I am telling is that one is more important. Okay, leave it whatever I told, friend. Now previously if you want to style a web application, you need to write css you need to provide classes, and for that classes you need to provide some css. Okay, but here what we do is we will write classes, but classes which we write is predefined. And also one more thing before working in this application using tailwind, you can go to extensions in Visual Studio Code and try to install tailwind css intelligence and live server. Okay, this is for it will give you hints or available classes. Okay, because you can't remember thousands of class names. If you install this tailwind css intelligence, it will help you to provide the uh, provide hints. You see, if you see, if I type bg, bg stands for background. Okay, whatever the classes there in the uh, whatever the classes that starts with b and g will be available here. Okay, that's why you don't want to remember anything. Okay, you see, whatever the classes starts with b, all are here. Okay, this will happen when you install this tailwind css intelligence. Okay, you don't want to remember anything, just b background. If you want to apply some background color, you will just you will just type b, then background. If you want to apply bg, and you will apply a beige slate 300. This is one of the class. Okay, it will give you some background color. And if you want to make rounded rounded full, sorry, I'm applying for body, right? Now I will apply some bg gradient. Okay, bg gradient to and I will apply from slate 50 to um, 300. And I will apply a minimum height is screen. Based on the screen height, I will be minimum. I will be the minimum height will be the screen, and thereafter I will be providing based on the content. It will be, but first when your application is loaded, when there is no content, it will load the height of the screen. And if you want to see this live, we can compare this one. Okay, you will be seeing here only the output changes everything. Now we will be doing h1. Before that we will be giving one more div as equal to. We will be giving maximum width of the screen. Max width of the screen we will be giving. For width will be giving margin. M stands for margin top as 6. M stands for margin. BG stands for background color. Or we will be giving MX as auto. You can see the changes here. Whenever I change the code, it will be automatically changes. It will change the. Now we have we will be providing H1. You see, if I keep 4 and if I save, automatically the hello world got changed. Okay. Similar way, font I will be giving. I will be removing the underline, and if I save, automatically it got saved. Okay. I don't need to re-render anything. Okay. And if you want to apply rounded, if you want to apply some instead of hello world, okay, you will be adding your margin top 6. Okay. And we will be adding one more span element. Span element we will be adding for writing the classes. So the main block. Hmm. Sorry. No, no, Kalyan. This class names. Actually, it is writing CSS will be very difficult. Okay, that's why this Tailwind CSS provided us the classes already. Okay, that class names if we use, automatically the CSS will get applied. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Instead of writing many classes, you see, if you want to develop an application, you need to write 10 files of CSS classes, CSS files. Here, if you use Tailwind CSS, you don't need to write any CSS class, CSS by your own. Okay, they will provide some syntax. You see, empty margin top. Okay, this 4 into 1 text. That means it will increase the size. You see, if I keep this one to 2, 2 into 1. Okay, if I save, you see the text got very low. If I say save for some in syntax. These are the CSS classes where we operate. Just you use the libraries. Yeah, yeah. We already there are classes. Okay. You need to utilize that one. Okay. Huh? IDs, IDs we can't provide. IDs will not be used more for CSS, Kalyan, because you see, I MT6 is one of the class. Okay. The, yeah, this class can be utilized anywhere. Margin top with the 6 pixel. MT-6 means margin top 6 with the 6 pixels. You see, you don't need to write any. Previously, what you need to write is you need to give one name for class, and you need to go here, and again you need to open this style. Okay, here some class name XYZ, class name you need to give, and margin top 6 pixel you need to give this type of code. Okay, and you need to write here XYZ. Okay. Okay. Instead of writing all these things, already Tailwind will give one class with some preferred like margin top 6. Okay. In margin top only 6. If you keep 6, you see, if you type if you type M, okay, you see margin top, MT is margin top. You have all these classes available. Margin 1 means 1 pixel, 2 means 2 pixel, 3 means 3 pixel, 4 means like this. You have the classes. Okay. You will use this particular classes. Okay. If you want to change the text size, okay, you will have classes txt hyphen. Okay. You see, all these are classes based for available text. Okay. You can utilize these classes. Hmm? Latest Tailwind CSS framework in the market, and it is used coming all projects. They will use only this framework. Previously, only Bootstrap was there. That is component based, but this is utility based. Yeah, yeah. If you can ask this type of doubts only, all people can understand. Otherwise, I will be going on. You will be going on. People, if you have any doubts, please ask. Like Kalyan, because I will be going on my way. You will not understand anything. You see, as Kalyan asked, I told that instead of writing XYZ, all these things, style sheets, this margin top already they define, they have inbuilt CSS class margin top 6. Okay, that's why instead of writing this, I will be using their class. Okay, now for span element, I will be giving background background slate color 300 and rounded full. This means the our logo will be fully rounded. Okay, line block, line block, and border will be, if you want to apply border colors will be there. I will be applying border white, and border length I will be 8 pixels, and P stands for padding, Y stands for Y axis. If I keep X, it is X axis. If I keep Y, it is Y axis. And I will be applying 4 pixel for Y axis, and padding X, that means padding X axis horizontal, X for horizontal, it will be Y for vertical. Okay, and padding, you have padding left, padding right, right? Similar way, to remember that one, padding y and padding x. I have provided padding this one. Now I will be providing the text logo. What logo should be there? That one I will be providing. If you see my example, uh, you see we are present construction this deals 365. Okay, this rounded full will be, you see the design will be coming right rounded. That one is this design. Okay, we will be showing everything here. We are present. We are constructing the logo. Okay. Once we constructed the logo, I will be explaining you every class. Now, what we write is deals 365. You got right? Deals 365. Mm, this will give another text name. Okay. And you can see rounded for rounding this one, and border white border you can see. Now we have done this one with the span, and you need to be this one has h2. Now you can able to see the changes. You see for deals, you are able to see the pink color, right? That's why text pink color I have given. And this is the black slate is the black color text slate 700. Okay, if you can want to change this text also, text color also, you can change that one. Text, say green, zinc, neutral, stone, red, everywhere, everything is there. If you want to give orange, you can give orange. Okay, whatever the color you want to change, you just apply whatever the classes is available. That class can be applied here. Okay, this will be the header. In header, first what we are doing is we are giving the size of the uh, size of the text, and making the text as bold, and we are giving margin top as 6 pixels, because the text should be available. If you give this one 0, see, it is going to the top, but we need to have some space from top to top to this logo, between this and top header and this logo we need some space. That's why I am providing empty, that is margin top 6. Okay. And the next we are providing the background color. For this, BG stands for background color. Slate is 300. Here also we can give some other red. If you provide, it will take red. Okay. Whatever you want to provide the background color, that you can keep. Okay. I am providing the slate. Slate means that slate color. That is nothing but background slate color. This is the percentage of the color which opacity we apply. Okay, I have already told that it will be the opacity. It should be as we are applying the background, the background color will be applying as 30% only. Okay, and if you apply more, it 700, the look and feel will be, the background opacity will be increasing. That's why I am applying only 300. Like this, all are meaningful. There will be meaning for these class names. You don't need to by heart this one. Just if you want to apply some background color, you can go to, you can type B. If you want to apply some padding, just type P. The classes will come. That classes you can utilize. Okay. You see, if you go here, if you on over that one, automatically py4 class you will get. You can able to see padding top 1 rem, padding bottom 1 rem. Okay, 1 rem is nothing but 16 pixel. This is the css already available that will get applied. If you go to px2, automatically you can see the hint. Px2 class stands for padding left and padding right. Okay, and if you go to slate also, bg slate, it stands, you see, it stands for background color, this color. Okay, just already these classes, this styles are there in the library. Just you will get the class names here. This helps you to reduce your time on instead of concentrating like the writing your own css. It will help you to write good css and just by utilizing the provided class names. Okay, by end of this tutorial, you will be learning more, because I will be showing different things, right? Now now what we need to show is next, mobiles, fashion, appliance. This categories we will be showing. Okay, to do that categories, we need to have one more div. Now for this I will be providing flex. Scrap gap between the products will be 2 pixels. Actually this is not 2 pixels, that is 2 em. Okay, 2 em, 1 em equal to 0.5 rem means 2. Okay, 2 means it will come around 8 pixels. Okay, I will be providing, I will be providing background pink. and also I will give M auto means I will be giving equal margin auto. Okay, it will take automatically based on the text. Okay, I'll be giving BG black rounded LG screen, large screen, and padding 2 for normal, and text will be okay. I will be giving here mobiles. You see, you can able to see mobiles. Right? Similar way, I will be giving fashion, and I will be giving one more category, mm, appliances. See, we have created three categories: mobiles, fashion, and appliances. What we have done is background. I have given pink. See below, if you see the buttons, you can see the pink background and margin auto, and this one background color for mobiles will be black, and it will be rounded, and I have providing padding, and text will be white color. Okay, the text is white, the background is black, and margin is auto. Okay, why I am giving margin auto means if you automatically, if the text is more, should automatically take the, that's why I don't have the margin, that's why I provided auto. When you don't have knowledge of how much the text will be there, how many, we will give margin auto. If you on over that one, the class it will show margin auto. I am giving the background color black, and rounded for LG stands for large media. Okay, border status, large screens. LG stands for large screens. Okay, as of now we are able to create categories. Now we will try to do some look and feel for these categories. How we can do this one is, we have provided flex, we will provide the height. uh, if you want to give height, actually the height will be a variable, because the height, you will not have exact height. In different applications you will be provided different heights. For that also you don't need to write another class. If you pass this h hyphen in the square bracket, if you pass that particular pixel, it will automatically take height as 300 pixel. If you provide 500, it will automatically take as 500 pixels. Okay, this is the height. I am passing the height of the category. You can able to see the height, mobiles, fashion, appliance. Okay, you can see we have applied this height for this one, and now we will do some responsive for our application using this. Okay, now if you want to make this category, okay, we have three categories here. Okay, it is if you want to make for small devices to show only one category at a time, I will be showing here. I will be applying. This is this it is 30% we need to show. This is 30% and this is 30%. If you show like this, we can able to see three at a time. And also we will be adding some images for this. uh, we will copy this one. Instead of bg color pink, instead of pink color, right, we will be adding image. Before adding that image, I will be adding, actually I collected this from network. Guys, I have added some classes here, some images here. I taken this one from net only. You can use your own images for this one. Okay, or otherwise upload this one in the git. You can use that images. Okay, now what we can do is we will change this background color, background pink. Of using this 500 background color, pg hyphen, you need to provide url for your image. Yes, categories. Mobile, PNG. I have provided this URL and applying PG cover. This stands for the image should be covered, and it will be background will be center. Okay. I will close this div. Same I will be usually utilizing for three of the things. I will be removing this. This will be this will be this, and this will be this. appliances, and you will be changing the image name. Whatever the file you created, whatever the name images you stored, that one you provide for this one. You see, you can able to see images here. Okay, what I done is I have included background image, that is mobiles.png. Okay, and made that background as center, and I have covered that background. The image should be covered. If I take these two classes, see, if I take these two classes and save it, see, you can't see the images, right? Okay, the image of image only you got. Okay, that's why if I keep this bg cover and bg center class, automatically the full image got covered. Okay, for that purpose only I have added bg cover and bg center. Okay, similar way, uh, I have added fashion image and appliances image. Okay, these three images I added for these three things. Okay, you guys remember that I am not writing any CSS code. I am just utilizing the utility classes provided by Tailwind CSS. Okay, this is the usage of Tailwind CSS framework. Okay, in a market, almost in every company, they will be utilizing CSS frameworks. One is Bootstrap, that is framework based, that is component based. That means you will be importing header, all those things. Okay, components you will import, but not this CSS. But this Tailwind provide you utility classes, and that utility classes is meaningful classes, and that you can directly write for your CSS. Okay, now we have completed categories. Now if you see this one, for all screens it is like this only. Okay, only three images are always three images. If it is big screen, small screen, everywhere only we can see three images. Okay, now we need to change this one. How we can change is, we have, if you want to write a responsive applications, we have some classes uh, provided by Tailwind. Now I am writing one class for small devices. It is SM stands for small device. Okay, colon, small device, colon. You need to a basis. Basis means you will be dividing percentage, 33.3%. If it is small device, and MD stands for medium device. That basis we will divide as, again square bracket, we will pass the parameter as 30%. The same thing we will do for other things also. That means what we are doing is, if it is small devices, take 33%. If it is medium devices means take 30%. After doing this one, you see, we have three. If it is small device, flex basis it will take 33%. Minimum 64. You see, media query minimum width if it is small device, right? It will take 64 pixels. If it is medium device means it will take 768 pixels. Minimum width will be 768 and flex will be 30%. You see, when I take this as a small device, it took 30%, 33%, 33%, and 33%. You see, previously three images were shown in the same line like this. And if you reduce this one, not like this, you can do with the inspect element. If you see with not like this, you can check like this one. So you can see different structure. I'm able to see third one coming top. I will show more. For small devices, if I take this one as 50%, 100%. If I take 100%, you can see three images you are having because it is taking 100% width. Okay, it is taking 100% width, and this is taking 100% width. Okay, if I provide with 50%, 50% also it is taking this. That's why you will be providing 33%. 33% it will take like this. Okay, this classes, if you want to provide for small devices, you'll write some different css. If you want to write for medium devices, you'll write some, and also there is classes for lg for large screen. Large screen you can write, as well as xl you can write. For XL means 2XL XL. for Excel. You can write. Okay. As of now, I have written for small devices and medium devices. Okay. Like this way, you can write your based on the devices. You can change your the width and height of your content. Okay. Next, we will be now we have completed this part. Now we need to show this header. Okay, this header should be in middle. It should be aligned in the middle, and it should be assigned in aligned in the center. And we need to provide this margin, bottom margin, top margin. Okay, and this text should be bold and the color should be black. Okay, for this how we write the code is we'll take one more div. Actually, I am telling in the div, but you can make these div elements if you see as semantic elements. Okay, based on the your requirement, you can change that one to your own. Okay, instead of div, I will be taking h2 and will be providing class right away with the text as center. Text size will be 3 into 1, 3 into 1, and as I told, I need to provide padding for the content, that is p y axis 6, and font size will be font type will be bold, and I need to give margin bottom 4. And I will be providing you can able to see, right, it came center because of text center I made. Okay, and the text size it is 3 into 1, and the I made padding top and bottom. As I told, y stands for uh, vertical alignment, that is top and bottom. X stands for right and left. Okay, I am giving equal uh, 24 pixels at the top and bottom. That's why I have space around 25 pixels to above logo and here, and below if I create something here also I will get a space around 24 pixel. Okay, and margin 4. Okay, margin bottom 1 rm, that is margin bottom. Okay, that will be provided when you see another, you see the space between this and this is the margin bottom. Okay, there is a lot of space in it. This space we will be giving using margin bottom, that is mb stands for margin bottom. Now next we will be developing the products area. Okay, how to place these products here, and also that products should be designed based on the mobile view and normal view. Okay, like this it should be that we will be developing here. Now after h2 we will be taking one more div element. For products display we will be taking grid. When you remember that grid layout is nothing but dividing the width into columns. Okay, how many columns you want, that one we will be doing. By default I will be giving column 1. Okay, whatever the device it will maybe 1. Then if it is small device, I will be providing grid columns as 2. And if it is medium devices, I will be providing grid columns as 3. That means in medium devices it will show 3 products in a row. If it is small devices, it will show 2 columns in a row. In normal devices by default it will show 1 column. Okay, if it is less than small devices, the extra small and if it is LG, that means devices, if it is big one, I will be showing 4 columns. And I will be providing margin bottom as well as gap between two products will be 2. So I will be providing divide as adding 2 background white, and it should be rounded. If it is rounded medium devices, it is medium devices. Okay, now I will provide the image images product. It will be 52 and width will be full, and object should be covered. This I have provided. Let's see how it is. You see, we can able to see the image. Okay, how this image, what are the classes we mentioned is grid. Okay, for small device, SM stands for small. Okay, SM stands for small, MD stands for medium, and LG stands for large devices. For small devices, you will be showing 2 columns. For medium devices, we will be showing 3 columns, and for large scale screens, we will be showing 4 columns. Okay, and margin bottom I have given 8. That means product to product, top and bottom, the margin will be 8, and gap will be 2 pixels between the products. Okay, now what I do is I will add same CSS. Otherwise we will be 1 minute, we'll be adding some content and I will show, then I will be adding. Okay, now we have added image, we need to show some content here. Okay, strong tag, I think that is the text will be 113, and we will be mentioning the paragraph class where we mention the details of the product. The background color will be text color will be text slate color. Will be providing 50% discount. And again we'll be creating text, and also the size this time the text color will be pink 500, and it will show the MRP price 20,000. And finally we will be showing the this time also text I will show as red color, and highlight of that color will be more, and will be showing telling that discount price will be 35,000. And we will tell that click on this to click on this button to get coupon code. We will be showing hover pseudo classes also. It will support providing 700, and hover the on hover it should increase the size, and background color will be purple, and background color will be purple, text will be white, and font will be bold, text text will be large, and cursor pointer will be pointer, and it will be rounded. It will be rounded. And we will be displaying get coupon as text. You see this one, automatically this got applied. What I am doing is we have mm, one, two, three, 4 lines, right? These four lines I will explain you. Apple iPhone 13, okay, that I made as strong. That means it will display in a bold, okay, and 50% discount I have given just the text color as white, text color as black, that is slate color, and the opacity is 500. Okay, let's see, opacity is 500. You can also provide this one if you want to look more highlighted. See, now it is showing highlighted. Okay, previously the opacity is 300, that's why it is somewhat less. If you see again, I made to 300, right? It is somewhat less. Okay, if you want to increase the look intensity, you can increase this one. Okay, next MRP rate 700 I made. For that I have Given pink background color, text color as pink. You see, you have two different colors you will be one is background, that is bg. For coloring the text, you will give text pink. You see, if you see that class color, just they have provided the color and color name. Okay, next I have provided the discount price. Okay, you can see the discount price. Okay, and next for button, if you see, I have added more classes because first I have made the button rounded. You see, you can see the corners, it got rounded. If you want this type of style, if the round at the corners, if you want to get uh, rounded, you need to add this rounded class. Okay, and if you see, if I on over anything, it is just a pointer. If I go to on button, it is showing pointer. Click this, click this, click this, that is cursor pointer. I have added this class because when we go onto the button, it will show that this is a clickable button. Okay, and I made the text as large. Okay, I made the text font as bold, and I made the color as text color as white. You see, the text color is white, right? Next, I made the button color background bg. I used to give the background color, that is purple. Okay, you can see at the background the color is purple. Okay, and next, you see, when I on over this, when I hover on this particular button, it gets increased. The scale of the button got increased 10%. Okay, for that purpose I have used scale 110. Okay, if you provide 150, it will increase more. See, 150% it increased. Okay, that's why just that will not be looking good. That's why I have provided 110. See, then it is good to see. Okay, next I have provided uh, when you on over that one, hover means when you mouse hover on your button or anything, we will apply these classes when only it hovers on the particular button. The button background will be slate. Now purple is there. If I on over, the color will be changing to black, that is slate color. If I change this one to pink, automatically when I hover on this one, it will become as pink. Okay, now we have created the products page, product one. Now what I do is I will add same thing here. See, I can able to see third products. Similar way, I will copy paste and do for 10 times. I am doing because I am going to add 10 products. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times I have added this one. Now I will change the product name PNGs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have added 10 products. Now I can able to see 10 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, as I provided, this is the lodge. We can able to see four products. You see, based on increase, you see now it became three. Now it became two. Now it became one. You can see the variation in the products display. Okay, if it is small devices, you'll get only extra small. If you'll get only one at a row. Okay, you see product one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 products will be shown while scrolling in your scroll. And if it is some small device, not extra small, this is small. Okay, you can see two products at a row. Okay, you can see this also changed if we for because we applied this for small devices. Okay, we did not apply this for small extra small, that's why it did not happen. Now you can see two products. If I increase little more, that is medium devices, it will be three products per row. Okay, and if I go with large devices, it is four products in a row. Okay, this is how we can develop a full-fledged responsive applications using uh, tailwind css. Okay, no one will ask you in interview about all this one. Just they will ask you what is tailwind css, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the cs. That's why you don't want to remember all these things. Just try to do yourself this project, it is enough. Don't remember any type of classes here mentioned. Okay, just you should know the advantages of this tailwind css, what are the benefits, what are the disadvantages. That is enough. Okay, the disadvantages of this tailwind css is uh, you see the html. In html you will get lot of classes. Okay, it is not good practice to write all these classes in html. That is one of the disadvantages. But when you are getting more advantages, one or two minor disadvantages, companies will not bother. Okay, the more and more advantages with the single html page, you can able to construct this type of projects without writing any css. Okay, the most difficult part in as a ui developer is writing css by your own. Okay, by using this framework you can overcome with that one. Okay, you can get rid of the writing your own css. Okay, that is the more advantage. Then the time will be very the time you can save more time using this uh, css framework. Okay, these are the main advantages. I will commit all this code today itself, and I will provide you in this code, this git url in whatsapp. And also whatever I told now, all I have recorded, and I will save this in youtube, and I will share that youtube link for you. Guys, anyone have any doubt, please ask me.